Hindi ko alam kung sino ating makakasama today. Hindi ko alam kung sino ating guest. Pero sabay-sabay nating huhulaan. At makakatanggap tayo ng isang set of clues which I will be receiving right now. Silipin natin. You can guess along with me. Meron siyang 1 million followers sa Facebook. Ooh, 1 million followers on Facebook. 877,000 followers on TikTok. Wow, napaka-ano naman ito. 97,000 followers on Instagram. Pinakamaliit na big star ng GMA. Little person with the biggest dreams. Parang alam ko na kung sino ang guest natin. Naging nanay, naging prinsesa, naging CEO ng kumpanya, at ngayon isang abogado. Alam ko na kung sino to. I'm guessing ang ating surprise guest for today is Attorney Lilet Matias, otherwise known as none other than Joe Barry. Tama ba ako? Is that you, Joe Barry?
Yes, sorry, po.
Hi, Joe Barry! Uy, grabe, ang dami mo namang followers sa FB, TikTok at Instagram, ha?
Bago nga lang po yun. Parang kakahit ko lang ng 1 million sa Facebook.
Uy, wow! Congratulations! Naku, si Attorney may 1 million sa Facebook.
Yes. Thank you po.